Princess fans, I have fuzzy pets for you today. I'm gonna unbox it. I already opened one, but I'm gonna open this one for you guys today. Don't forget to like and subscribe after this video. Hairball.
Fluff ball.
And guys, this is a doggy shampoo bottle. That's why it has this kind of top. You can screw it. But you have to pop it open. Guys, I need water for this part, so I'm gonna go get some water. We got a bowl of warm water, and now we're gonna open it up, guys. See, you can screw this off. Whoa. I had to open a little bit because these are very tiny. Let me peek through here. Ooh, it's a good one. Gotta do it the other way, and now I have to hold it up, and now cut. Guys, make sure when you use scissors, make sure an adult helps you, and like and subscribe to my videos. Oh, look! It's a little purple skunk, I think. Let's open these now. Let's open these now, guys. Oops. These are very tiny little scissors. These are not really meant for L.O.L dolls, but I guess it's fun because you can carry them.
You can carry what?
This. The shampoo bottle. Guys, I have a bottle, glasses, and this, I think, which is chips, I think, and then now I have some sand. Comment down below what you think those are. Okay, let's go opening the sand. See what accessory I get next. Oh, this you could just take out. I think I got it, guys. Aww. I think I know what this is. I got a little collar. It's a blue collar. Do you want to see who? Let's see who the pet is now. Let's get. There's gonna be so much. Ooh.
How do you get the fuzz off?
You have to rub it in warm water. There's gonna be so much fuzz in here. Guys, I tried it and And look who it is. Before I thought it was a skunk, but it's a raccoon. Little raccoon. It could even wear the sunglasses.
Ah.
Hey, she's the swim clubs and she's Wild Waves. She can either color change or spit. This is her Mira.
Whoa. Wild Waves. Those are her sunglasses?
Yeah. And this is her little collar.
And she has a collar.
She has some chips.
She's fancy chic.
She's fancy chic.
Mm-hmm. It's like...
What does that mean?
There's popular, fancy chic, rare, ultra rare, on my way. She's the second one, fancy chic.
On my way on here means that it's coming out soon.
Oh. And these are the new L.O.L. Fuzzy Pets, right?
Yeah.
They just came out?
Yep.
And where'd you get it?
I got it at Target, so if you want them, go to Target. Okay, Princess fans, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.